Hello friends, this is tutorial number 64 in this Java programming language tutorials. Okay, our application works good for now. We have our login application, works perfectly fine, and we have our option 1, check the kilometers driven, and check the date of the last oil change, works perfectly. Now we only need to check the kilometers driven and the last oil change. Now you will tell me, but we could use this in the same way, but I want to expand a little of second option, and because of that we will do it now slowly. Let me find where start the main method. Okay, let's start with our method. It will be public static, it will be integer, and it will be kilometers driven from last oil change. Okay, it will be the name of the method, and let's find it. Okay, we will have car x will be equal to car4 check. Of course, we already find a car that we will check. Also, we will need integer kilometers driven, and it will be equal to car x dot get kilometers driven. Okay, we will also need integer kilometers, we will call it km last change. It will be the name of the variable. It will be car x dot get kilometers driven at the last oil change. Okay. Okay. And I will need a third variable. It will be integer kilometer distance. This kilometer distance will be how kilometers we passed from the last oil change, and we will need kilometers driven minus kilometers last change. Okay, and we will write all three variables. Okay, first one, system out print line. We will have kilometers driven plus it will be km driven. It's the name of the variable. Okay, second one, system out print line. It will be kilometers at the last oil change, and it will be plus km last change is the name of the variable. Okay, and we will need a third one, and it will be kilometers driven from the last oil change. Okay, and we need plus km distance. Okay, that should be fine, but what we want to do now, as I told you in the beginning, okay, we have if we passed equal or more than 10,000 kilometers from the last oil change, if of course we need to change the oil, and if we didn't pass 10,000 kilometers, we still don't have to change the oil. Okay, but we need to write this. If, for example, km distance is greater or equal, but it will not be 10,000 because we have this constant km for oil change, and it will be km for oil change. We will write system out print line. If we have more than 10,000 from this constant, which is 10,000, we will write you need to change the oil now. Okay, and else, if condition is not true, if it is less than 10,000, we will simply write system out print line you do not have to change the oil now. Okay, okay, that is good, and we need to return, and of course we will return kilometer distance. Okay, and now what we gonna do, we can't forget kilometers driven from last oil change. It will be method for checking the kilometers. Okay, where's the option 3? No, it is option 2. Okay, semicolon, and that should be all. Now we only need to find out if this will work fine. Let us experiment. Okay, we already said we will experiment the whole application. First, some username, some password. Okay, login failed. Again and again. Okay, a login failed. We need to put mechanic and mechanic for the password. Okay, and we log in successfully. Now we need to choose the option. Check the kilometers driven and check the kilometers driven at the last oil change, and check the date of the last oil change. First we will go with option 1. Okay, we need to enter the number of the chassis. Let's enter some number. Okay, car not found. Okay, and we will copy, let me copy this one, last one, copy, and let me paste it. Okay, okay, as we can see, kilometers driven 249,000. Okay, that's the number, it's correct. And now let me, with same car, we will check the option 2. Okay, enter the number of chassis. Okay, first let me, okay, car not found, and let us paste this real number. Okay, what we have here, kilometers driven. Okay, we have kilometers at the last oil change, we have that number, and kilometers driven from the last oil change, we passed 14,308 kilometers, and you need to change the oil now. Okay, works fine. And let me just check the third option. Enter the number of the chassis. Let me paste this, and the date of the last oil change is, okay, that's the date. We have September 15 and 2019. Okay, this works fine. And let me okay, but let me check another car which don't need to, if we don't need to change the oil. Okay, we can use, let me copy this and we have the options, as you can see. Let me select the first option for, and we will use this first car. Okay, kilometers driven. Okay, that's correct. And let me see the second option. The second option will be enter the number of the chassis. Let me, okay, as we can see, let me just see, kilometers driven. Okay, that's correct. Kilometers at the last oil change, we have the number. And also let me kilometers driven from the last oil change is 3,316, and you do not have to change the oil now. And choose an option. Let me choose the third option. We will see if the date will be correct. Enter the number of the chassis. We use this number, and let me see. The date of the last oil change is okay. We have all. It is December 8th in 2019, which works fine. And let me number 9, and it will ask you must choose one of the options we have, and we will select 0. You select 0 to end this application, exit the program, goodbye. Okay, that would be it. I don't know if you understand this, if I explain this very well, but I really tried to explain this very well. No, it is not so complicated. Of course, we will do a couple more things, couple more examples in the next tutorials. We finished with this application, but I will try we will gonna do some similar applications to you understand this login, this authentication applications with Java. I really hope that you understand this, and I really hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. You have links in the description, and I will see you in the next tutorial.